Wednesday morning, guys. It's very early. I'm actually up early. Listen to that bird. It's been doing that for ages. I can't see it. So it's very early in the morning here. No clouds yet. It's very cold. I'm in the sun trying to defrost. This is our winter. So, you know, once the sun comes out, it's not too bad. But in Queensland here. Isn't that a funny sound? If anyone knows what bird that is, it'd be really cool if you'd let us know. Sounds like it's saying something like, I don't know, saying a bird something. Anyway, guys, I will finish off my knitting. I'm so sorry I haven't done that yet. I just wanted to share a little bit of my morning with you and send my love. A few morning bird sounds, and yeah, you usually get the afternoon. But this is nice and fresh in the morning. Oh, over there, there's a little flock of birds having a fight in a tree. Beautiful. Alright guys, I'll go. Just a quick one. And love to all. This is Happy Wednesday.